Today we will see Class 12 Geography, Unit 1, Chapter 2, Migration, Types, Causes and Consequences. Ram Babu, working as an engineer in Biloi steel plant, Chhattisgarh, was born in a small village of district Bhojpur, Bihar. At an early age of 12, he moved to a nearby town, Arad, to complete his intermediate level studies. He went to Sindri, Jharkhand for his engineering degree and he got a job at Biloi, where he is living for the last 31 years. His parents were illiterate and the only source of their livelihood was meagre income from agriculture. They spent their whole life in that village. Ram Babu has 3 children who got their education up to the intermediate level at Biloi and then moved to different places for higher education. First one studied at Allahabad and Mumbai and is presently working in Delhi as a scientist. The second child got her higher education from different universities in India and he is now working in USA. The third one, after finishing her education, settled at Surat after marriage. This is not a story of only Ram Babu and his children, but such movements are increasingly becoming universal trend. People have been moving from one village to another, from villages to towns, from smaller town to bigger towns, and from one country to another. In your book, Fundamentals of Human Geography, you have already learnt about the concept and definition of migration. Migration has been an integral part and a very important factor in redistributing population over time and space. India has witnessed the waves of migrants coming to the country from Central and West Asia and also from Southeast Asia. In fact, the history of India is the history of waves of migrants coming and settling in one after another in different parts of the country. In the words of a renowned poet, Firaku Gurakuri, Sar Zyami e Hindu par Akwam e Alam hi Faraku Kafail Basti Gay Hindustan Banta hai Gaya. The caravans of people from all parts of the world kept on coming and settling in India and led to the formation of India. Similarly, the large numbers of people from India to have been migrating to places in search of better opportunities, specifically to the countries of the Middle East, Western Europe, America, Australia, and East and Southeast Asia. Indian diaspora during colonial period (British period), millions of the indentured laborers were sent to Mauritius, Scorpion Islands (Trinidad, Tobago and Guyana), Fiji and Guyana, Fiji and South Africa by British from Uttar Pradesh and Bihar to Reunion Island, Guadeloupe, Martinique and Suriname by French, Untouched and by Portuguese from Goa, Daman and Dayu to Anglo, Mozambique to work as the plantation workers. All such migrations were covered under the time-bound contract known as Girmit Act, Indian Migration Act. However, the living conditions of these indentured laborers were not better than their slaves. The second wave of migrants ventured out into the neighboring countries in recent times as the professional, artisans, traders and factory workers in search of economic opportunities to Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Brunei and African countries, etc. And the trend still continues. There was a steady outflow of India's semi-skilled and skilled labor in the wake of the oil boom in the West Asia in the 1970s. There was also some outflow of entrepreneurs, store owners, professionals, businessmen to Western countries. Third wave of migrant was comprised professionals like doctor, engineers in bracket, 1960s onwards, software engineers, management consultants, financial experts, media persons, 1980s onwards, and others migrate to the countries such as USA, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand and Germany, etc. These professionals enjoy the distinction of being one of highly educated, the highest earning and prospering groups. After liberalization, in the 90s education, the knowledge-based Indian immigration has made Indian diaspora one of the most powerful diasporas in the world. In all these countries, Indian diaspora has been playing an important role in the development of the respective countries. Migration. You are familiar with the census in India. It contains information about migration in the country. Actually, migration was recorded beginning from the first census of India conducted in 1881. These data were recorded on the basis of the place of birth. However, the first major modification was introduced in 1961 census by bringing in two additional components, viz. The place of birth, that is the village or town, and duration of residence in bracket if born elsewhere. Further, in 1971, additional information on the place of last residence and during of stay at the place of enumeration were incorporated. Information on the reasons for migration were incorporated in 1981 census and modified in consecutive census. In the census, the following questions are asked on migration. Is the person born in his village or town? If no, then further information is taken on rural or urban status of the place of birth, name of the district and the state, and if outside India, then the name of the country of birth. Has the person come to this village or town from elsewhere? If yes, then further questions are asked about the status in bracket rural or urban of the previous place of residence, name of the district and the state, and if outside India, then the name of the country. In addition, reasons for migrations from the place of last residence and duration of the residence in the place of enumerations are also asked. In the census of India, migration is enumerated on two bases. One, the place of birth. If the place of birth is different from the place of enumeration, bracket known as lifetime migrant. 2. The place of residence. If the place of the lost residence is different from the place of enumeration, in bracket known as migrant by the place of lost residence. As per 2011 census, out of 1,210 million people in the country, 455.8 million were reported as migrants of place of lost residence, in bracket about 37%. Activity: conduct a survey of 5 households in your near neighborhood to find out their migration status. If migrants, classify these on the basis of the 2 criteria mentioned in the text. Streams of migration. A few facts pertaining to the internal migration, in bracket within the country, and the international migration, in bracket out of the country and into the country from other countries, are presented here. Under the internal migration, 4 streams are identified. A. Rural to rural, that means capital R to capital R. B. Rural to urban, capital R to capital U. C. Urban to urban, capital U to capital U. And D. Urban to rural, capital U to capital R. In India, during 2011, out of 455.0 million migrants enumerated on the basis of the lost residence, 141.9 million had changed their place of residence in the last 10 years. Out of these, 118.7 million were interstate migrants. The stream was dominated by the female migrants. Most of these were migrants related to marriage. The distribution of male and female migrants in different streams of interstate, intrastate and interstate migration is presented in figure 2.1a and figure 2.1b. It is clearly evident that the females predominate the streams of short distance rural to rural migration in both types of migration. Contrary to this, men predominate the rural to urban stream of interstate migration due to the economic reason. Apart from these streams of internal migration, India also experiences immigration from and immigration to the neighboring countries. Table 2.1 presents the details of migrants from the neighboring countries. Indian Census 2011 has recorded that more than 5 million persons have migrated to India from other countries. Out of these, about 88.9% came from the neighboring countries, Bangladesh followed by Nepal and Pakistan. In the figure 2.1a, intra-related migration by the place of lost residence indicating migration streams India 2011. Rural to rural, rural to urban, urban to rural, urban to urban, migration streams, migrations in millions, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, male, female. In figure 2.1b, interstate migrations by the place of lost residence indicating migration streams India 2011. Migration in millions, rural to rural, rural to urban, urban to rural, urban to urban, migration streams 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, male, female. Activity. Examine figure 2.1a and 2.1b showing interstate and interstate migration, intrastate and interstate migration in India according to the census 2001 and find out. 1. Why are the numbers of females migrating from rural to rural areas in both the diagrams higher? Second, why is the interstate male migration higher from rural to urban? Activity. Represent the data given in table 2.1 by pie diagrams assuming the migration from neighboring countries 47,66,231 persons as 10%. Spiral variations in spatial variations in migration. Some states like Maharashtra, Delhi, Gujarat and Haryana attract migrants from other states such as Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, etc. Some states like Maharashtra, Delhi, Gujarat and Haryana attract migrants from other states such as Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, etc. Maharashtra occupied first place in migrants, followed by Delhi, Gujarat and Haryana. On the other hand, Uttar Pradesh was the state which had the largest number of net out migrants from the state. Chalo Delhi in mantra for migrants. Migrant overflow India number 4. In terms inflow, it doesn't even make it to top 10. From the given news items, try to identify the political and economic causes of migration. More Sri Lankan refugees arrive. Be humane to refugees from Sri Lanka. PUCL. Table 2.1 Migrants classified by place of last residence outside India 2011. Countries, number of migrants, percent of total migrants. Total migration. Migration from neighboring countries. Total migration. Migration from neighboring countries. Total migration 53,63,099 100%. Migration from neighboring countries 47,66,231 migrants, percent 88.9. Afghanistan 6,476, percent 0.1. Bangladesh 27,47,062, percent 51%.2. Bhutan 7,964, percent 0.1. China 18,114, percent 0.3. Myanmar 59,282, percent 1.1. Nepal 8,10,158, 15.1%. From Pakistan 9,18,982, 17.1%. From Sri Lanka 1,98,193, 3.7%. Thank you. Sharing is caring. Comment your thoughts. Subscribe for more knowledge.